Hello, and welcome to Digital Spotlight, where we'll show you how to use your Mentor Public Library card to access amazing digital services from the comfort of your home. In this video, we'll be focusing on Kanopy. Kanopy is a video streaming platform where you can instantly watch tens of thousands of critically acclaimed movies, documentaries, and more for free with your library card. Follow these simple steps and get started today. First, open Kanopy by clicking the logo on the library's website or by downloading the Kanopy app on your smartphone, tablet, or smart TV. Next, log into your Kanopy account. If this is your first time, click on Add Library Card to set one up. Now explore your options. If you know what you are looking for, use the search bar on the top to find it quickly. Otherwise, you can browse topics by hovering your cursor over Browse and looking through the categories that interest you the most. You can also click on Browse to see a full list of all available topics. If you're looking for something more family-friendly, click on Go to Kanopy Kids at the top of the page to find movies suitable for all ages. When you've made a selection, simply click on it to see more information. Press the play button to check it out and start watching. You can borrow up to 10 movies each month, and each one is available to watch for 3 days after you check them out. Find your next favorite film on Kanopy, free with your library card. Thank you for joining us for Digital Spotlight. Be sure to go to mentorpl.org and check out all the other amazing resources that are available to you through Mentor Public Library.